Labadiena! So today's goal is to form the bench cabinet. But in order to do that, first of all, I have to finish the laminated panel. I can't hear any air pockets. Now I will trim it to size, and I think I'm gonna edge band one of the edges because it will be exposed once the bench lid will be open. I have to leave the facial panel alone, so in the meantime I will prepare the other panels for the bench cabinet. One side of the plywood is covered with phenolic film and nothing sticks to it, so when I will place this panel into the frame, I'll be able to glue the edge, the front side, but I won't get any bond with the inner side. So I'm thinking to remove a bit of this film around the perimeter, so I would gain more adhesion surface. Facial panel and back panel are prepared, and now I can measure the exact thickness of the channel I need to make in these oak pieces. So let's create those channels and then we can finish mitering the pieces. Doesn't it look gorgeous? But there's a slight problem. The front and back panel are slightly oversized and a couple of corners doesn't really meet. So let's fix this. I double checked every part and I think I'm ready for assembly. But there's one last thing to do before applying any glue. This is the top panel and I will have to cut the opening for the lid. But I don't really want to do it right now because this may influence the glue up. I may lose the geometry. So what I think I'm gonna do instead, I will make shortcuts through this groove where this facial panel lives, and once the glue sets, I will finish the cuts. By the way, I don't really want to make these cuts on the panel saw because the blade thickness of that saw is 4 millimeters, and I think it's too big of a gap for this furniture. So what I'm gonna do instead, I'm gonna make these cuts with a track saw, and I have this freshly sharpened thin blade. The thickness of the cut is 1.5 millimeters. So yeah, that's thin enough for me. Haha! So I'm done. Sincerely, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye!